Hey folks, recently on our Gemba walks, we've been spotting small issues that nobody has flagged. Not because they didn't matter, but because they seemed too minor. But even the smallest improvements make a big difference. Here are three examples. At our basketball hoop station, a swiveling heat gun arm was mounted too low. It worked for a short operator, but taller staff kept hitting their heads and had to duck, twist, or just put up with it. So we fixed it by raising the arm by a foot. Now it clears everyone's head, swivels freely, and supports clean, safe, and frustration free work. Next, when cleaning washroom stalls, the door kept swinging shut on its own, forcing the operator to hold it open with one hand while mopping with the other. This was awkward and led to a sloppy job. So to improve the process, we added a magnetic door stop. Now the door stays open and he can mop easily with both hands and no additional struggle. Finally, at our zipper station, an operator had jerry-rigged scissors to her bench using some tape to load zipper pullers. It was dangerous, inconsistent, and definitely the wrong way to perform this process. In this case, we bought the correct tool for the job that mounts directly to the table and installs pullers safely and cleanly in seconds. These little improvements are a reminder: don't let small frustrations linger. Stop and fix what bugs you. It makes life better for everyone. Thanks so much.